Alright, here we are again. We're going to work on this thing. We're going to, I got to do the battery cables. I'm going to grab the battery out of that real quick. And we'll put a new battery cable on this. Probably put a new battery cable on that end. Got the carburetor back on it, because all the leaves out from under it. Once I get that done, like I said, put a battery in it. Get a battery in it. Dump some gas in it. I went and got some gas. Dump some gas down the carb. Fire up. Hopefully, we'll see. We'll see what it does. If it does it, that's great. If it don't, it is what it is. Alright. We'll get back on it. What are we gonna do? Spring. Carburetor springs. I'm gonna put them back on. Very good. That one back on here. Tell me what happens. Just make sure you tell me. Holler real loud so I can hear. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Guys, that was too easy. Too easy. There's something wrong. Something ain't right. Something ain't right. Unless old girl was just like, hey, I want to run. I want to run. I did just shut it off, but watch this. Fires right up. Ain't been sitting for. It's been sitting for a few years. Put coolant in it. New rebuilt carb. Linkage on it. Gas can and a battery. 2 battery terminals. Fired right up. Alright guys, I'm going to do a merch plug real quick. Speedy Signs. He makes all my stuff. Makes some really cool hats. This is not his hat, but he could do this design. This is actually on a Richardson hat. I got this off somebody else. Great hat. Great quality hat. Great. I love the job he did, but Speedy can get them to me for a little bit cheaper. He does all my shirts. He does great work on shirts. He uses the Port and Company. Core cotton is normally what he uses. That one's been washed a few times and more. That's pretty good. Good there. Here's another one he did for me. He made that design up. I thought that design was pretty cool. This is a shirt that I already had, so it does good. It does good on these. That wind. Hopefully y'all can hear me through the wind. He does vinyl wraps, like whole car wraps. He'll do vinyl stickers, any kind of vinyl stickers you need. He does big stickers, little stickers. He'll wrap anything. He does banners. He does storefronts. He does schools. He does all kinds of stuff. Just wraps them, full wraps. Some stickers he made for me. Got those ones from him. Got these. I got a bunch of his stuff, a bunch of his stickers and stuff. Like here's one that he done of his. I like it. It's a pretty cool logo as they blow away. Yep, blown away. Wind's crazy up here. Forgive me for the wind. Throw these in his hat real quick. Get this stuff out of the way. He's got these really cool, like, he does these. All kinds of stickers, guys. Look, all kinds of stickers. He does local race car ones. Like here's a couple of local race car guys that he does for. He's got really cool stuff, guys. Here's another race car one he designed. That's a cool logo he done of his own, but this is his number right here on this one here. Hopefully you can see that, and the wind ain't blowing it around too much. I don't think he has a good website going on right now, but he does have Facebook. Get a hold of him through there, and he will hook you up. Tell him I sent you. Maybe he'll give you a decent little discount, or the more you buy with him, man, the better he gets. I mean, not the better he gets, but the better the price gets. If you understand that. Just get a hold of him. 324-1765. 606-324-1765. Where he's in Ashland, Kentucky. He does a great job. Anything you want, merch stuff, my stuff is there. You can, if you want any of my stuff, give him a shout. Send a message to him on Facebook. He can make it up while you're here, or close to me or far away, it don't matter. He'll still send it to you. Other than that, appreciate you, and we'll get back to the video. Thanks, guys. Well, found some pretty nice wheels online marketplace in Maysville. We're going to meet the guy this morning. Getting close. We're close, but I mean, look at the views here. Isn't that beautiful? It's a nice house up there on the hill. It'd be nice to have. Wagon. See that? And there's all kinds of, like, we've seen all kinds of cars on the side of the roads up through here, so they're out there. You just gotta go find them. But it's probably one of those, I'm going to fix that in 10 years. But of course, there's one of those sitting in my driveway. But we're trying to fix it, right? Right? So we'll get back with you here in a little bit. Show you what the wheels look like. I might get a little bit of filming with him, but I don't know if he'll want it to or not. So be back in a minute. Updates on this C10. Got some wheels, getting ready to show you those. You'll like that. Give me a second, I'll show you those real quick. Alright, so we went to Maysville. Here's what we got. 20 by 10, 20 by 8. We got all 4 of them. They're gonna go on this jewel right here. Sorry about the mess, I'm gonna clean it up. He's back there spray painting stuff. But it's another step closer. Just gotta get tires, but still gotta get this over to my buddies to get the frame and stuff work like that done on it, and hopefully get it running again with that 6.0. I didn't film none of that. I've already got it, picked it up. It's at my daughter's house in the garage, so I get over there again, I'll show you it. It's a 6.0 LS built. Then after that, should be pretty good. After once I get everything done, get that motor in there, get those wheels and tires on, it's gonna be good. I'll throw a picture of where I set them up on there, kind of what, you know, with the wheel on it front. I just kind of leaned it up against it. I'll throw a picture in here, somewhere here or down there with it. But other than that, I don't know. I don't know what else we're gonna get into today with it, but probably nothing. But guys, appreciate you. Get anything else going on, I'll check back in with you. Dodge parts, things to come. Olympic thing going on over there. He been spray painting on that. I just showed you the wheels. You saw those. So I think at that we're gonna call it on this video. We'll get more on that. If I get to show you the motor, I'll show you the new motor. If not, I appreciate you guys. We'll be back on this soon. We'll be back on that soon. And we will, I don't know, be doing something. Headlights. I don't know if y'all saw those or not yet, but every car goes by. As soon as I throw a camera out here, every car will go by. But guys, I appreciate you. Subscribe, like, comment, follow us on TikTok, YouTube. Anything you see us on, follow us. If you can catch us at a show or something, say hi. I appreciate you guys. Thanks.